Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. Another earwax extraction video for you. This one you can see quite a hairy little ear canal and a little bit of wax kind of embedded really within all that hair, so not going to be a really easy one to get out today. Going in with a standard size ulnar tube, because the wax looks a little bit softer, we should be able to maneuver this out, but you can see it's a bit on the sticky side. You can see all those hairs embedded in the center of this wax, so we're just trying to maneuver skin and wax here at the moment. So that's a little bit of skin there, so just get rid of that first of all. There you go. Just exposing the wax behind. So just trying to loosen. There you go, just loosening some of this this wax. You can see it's starting to move. There we are, just maneuvering it up and down. See, it's quite tough old stuff, but it is coming away. There you go, it's just breaking little bits off a second. There we are, a little tiny bit there. You can see the little hairs all jutting out to the side of it, so you can see just how embedded this stuff is in here. There we go, just starting to maneuver a little bit more out. Just pulling from the top, just trying to roll it forwards. And then maneuvering up and down, as I say in every video, with a little wiggle. There we go. So we've got the wiggle going on there. Just trying to get a bit of a grip on this. There you go. So just holding the suction on the wax there. What that does, it allows the suction from the pump that we use to really build. So sometimes it helps us just to wiggle it out. But this wax isn't going anywhere. So we get the old trusty Jobson horn out. Just looking, going over the top, there you go, rolling it down the canal. You can see all the hairs and bits embedded in there, just how tough that was going to get to come out. And just a little bit of dry wax around the outside edge of the ear canal there. I can see the eardrum in the center, but just for the sake of completeness, we're just going to strip away some of these bits and pieces. There you go, you can see just how tough that was there. Just a couple more bits. And there we are, there's the eardrum. You can see all little hairs in there as well. So you can see how long some of the hairs are jutting out the side of this, but just one solid lump of the front section we took away there to the left hand side of it. So not huge, but just enough to cause a few problems in there. Thank you very much for watching our video today, and as always guys, if you don't mind liking, sharing and subscribing, that would be fantastic, and take care.